Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we've got something really interesting to unpack. I have not opened all this up yet. This was made apparently by somebody named Hoffy. Rob's Nerdy Knives brought this to my attention. He said, do you want to check this out? And I said, absolutely, I think this is really cool. I don't know if there are any links or anything that I should have in the description, so maybe Rob will see this and let me know if I need to put a link somewhere to check out this guy's stuff, then I absolutely can. But that's all the information that I have, and I still want to share this with you guys because I think it was really neat that he did this. So thanks to everybody involved with this. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. It doesn't look like there's a specific way, so I'm going to open the biggest thing first. I know your curiosity is peaking here. Oh wait, is it already together? Is it already set? Yes. What's all this other stuff? Hold on. Do we have more than one? Hold on. I promise it's going to make sense here in a second. It's going to make perfect sense. Boy, these are really, really wrapped up. Maybe there's more than one, like the intention was that I can give these things away. Okay, so we have the second one here, which is it looks to be about the same. Now, what's this though? I gotta get all this out so I can understand exactly what's happening. So, knife numbers. Okay, let's see what's in here. Knife numbers. So we have a bunch of little tabs in here with numbers on them. Maybe I'm supposed to understand what these are, and I don't. I'm sure that somebody will be along in the comments to help me comprehend this. So curious now to see what this third one is. Oh, oh, look at that. That's great. What is this? What is this? I can put this in front. It's like, oh man, oh my god, these are so funny. Yes. Oh man, I love that. I absolutely love this. So you can put this in front. So if it's not clear, these are meant as holders for Excalibur. It's a 3D print. Look at that. Oh my god, I love this. That's so great. Ah, yes. It's so cool. This is just me having a little ego moment here. I did not ask them to do this. He said like, hey, my buddy like 3D printed these like rocks, like these fit so nice. This is such a perfect fit. It's like, it's nice and snug, but the edge doesn't actually grind against the plastic. But yeah, he said, my friend made these. Do you want to check it out? And I was like, dude, that sounds so cool. Now, what's the deal with the numbers? And we still have some other things. Which one of these am I going to put in front of this? This is so funny. I'm not sure to go with, honestly, I kind of like this one the best. I think that's like some of these other ones are a little bit flattering. I think I like the self-deprecating one. That's my favorite one. Hold on. I gotta do that. So you can put this here and then this. Okay. So perfect. That's the one I'm going to put by my, so it'll be nice to have one down here for the office and one upstairs. Oh my gosh, that's so perfect. I love this. Okay. Now, what are these? These are like they're like weights. Okay, and we have this here. Hold on. These are additional little, it says prototypes. Okay, so let's see. Oh, so these were the prototypes. Okay. I do like that. That's very cool. What's this? Okay, same kind of deal there. This is not something I ever thought I would be doing. That's so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay. Now, what is in this one? Let's see here. So curious. I'm just going to use I'm just going to use Excalibur to open this up. A lot of tape there. There we go. And the final thing is more. Okay, so more of the nameplate. Okay, or not nameplates or whatever these things are that we can, you know. I appreciate all of the excess. The numbers are very confusing to me. I'm very curious about that. We have these pieces here, which I'm certain that somebody in the comments will probably fit. Is it meant to just sort of like lay the knife across like this? Maybe? Yeah, I mean, that would make sense. It'll sit kind of like that. So that's kind of cool. I do appreciate that as well. And then what do we have here? Where do these go? What are these? Are these magnets? Yeah, okay, so they're magnetic. It's time for, it's puzzle time. Okay, that can't be right. Somebody, I know, I can already hear it. Somebody's going to be like, you are such an idiot. How can you not figure this out? These two are magnetic, and they are, you know, they're opposing. So, is there some other element, some other part of this that's magnetic? These are. This one here. I'm not sure. I don't understand what this is. I probably just needed to talk with Rob to understand it. In any case, this is all a load of fun. I love this so much. I have no idea if he sells these. I mean, honestly, like, this would be kind of cool for pretty much any knife, not necessarily just Excalibur, right? But I don't, well, I'm not like partnered with this guy or anything. I don't have, I think he honestly just did it for fun. I mean, and nowadays, if you have a 3D printer, you can pretty much print anything. It's not that like I would be like, don't make things associated with my knife. Yeah, sure, knock yourself out. I think this is fun. And I'm going to use them both. I mean, like I said, one down here and one upstairs. I've been using the sort of rotating knife and watch thing, and I just have Excalibur sort of unceremoniously mixed in with all those other knives. But this looks so much cooler. I love this, and I know that my wife, I'm going to go put it upstairs, and my wife's going to roll her eyes. Oh, that's so great. Okay, well, hopefully we get clarification on, I also like these. Hopefully we get clarification on these little guys right here and the numbers. Maybe, you know, if Rob's watching this, he's probably like, oh my God, I explained this to you in the email. Maybe you did. I'm sorry if I can't figure out what the heck's going on. But anyways, I want to say thank you again to the gentleman who made these and to Rob for, you know, kind of hooking me up with all this stuff. I think that this is wonderful. That's going to be it today, guys. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.